Hello, I'm not sponsored by them, but these peri peri chicken Walker's crisps are absolutely sensational. Just a recommendation. I've tried the cheeseburger flavour as well; they're pretty good as well. Welcome back. Hopefully, you've done lesson 5. You've handed that in, and now we're on to lesson 6 this week. It's recommended that you might want to split this one up. It might be a little bit over 60 minutes, 50, 60 minutes. It might be a little bit more because there's quite a bit in there because we're doing a little bit of basic skills testing at the beginning. The start of this lesson is about grid references. Some of you are scared of grid references, some of you are not. Don't be scared. Grid references are easy once you get them, and you might be a bit rusty at the moment. You might be wondering whether it's along the corridor, up the stairs, whatnot. So here you can see from this document, 2 documents in your assignment. This one's got a YouTube video to go through how to do grid references. But in a nutshell, go along the corridor, then up the stairs, whatever you're looking for. So let's say, where might I find trees in 32:45? I go along to 32, I go up to 45, and as Mr. Greenland would say, you put your hand on those 2 lines, and where they meet, that's your L shape. The square is the gap up to the right, okay, up to the northeast. So I'm here, 32:45. I'm looking in this square here. There's some trees there. There's some trees there. There's some trees there. That's a bit of a funny question. Where could I hide in 31:46? Do you know what? I'd probably hide down the well or in the tunnel, maybe. What do you think? Write down 4-figure group references for the following. So the pub is a nice glass tankard there. It's just there. So I go along to 32 point something, and I got 46 point something. Remembering that 5's halfway, so that's my marker. Those are your 4 figures. Have a go at those. Answers onto this sheet here, look. Then you've got the 6 figures, which is going more precision. 4 figures gives you within 1,000 meter squares. This gives you a lot more closer because you're going down by a factor of 10. So if you're in the army, this would be really important. But if you're getting lost or using a map, it would be really important. The one that's tricky on here, well, there's 2 that's tricky on here. The one that's on the line, that's a church with a steeple because it's round. So I go along to 78.0 because it doesn't move off 78. I go up to 26.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that's how I do that one. But some have been done for you. The start is the same as a 4 figure. The precision is how far along the line, up and along and up. But again, those videos are there to help you. On that other sheet, you can click the links, and there's another one there. Look for that one there, and there's where your answers go. And then we're on to the big boy stuff. Yes, Lagos. 4 opportunities Lagos offers are. What are the opportunities? Economic opportunity, social opportunity, environmental opportunity, plus 1 more. Okay, always go SEE. Then you got it. You can put those on the other document. So again, we're piling through Lagos, and we're now sort of in that area here, look, where we're starting to look at some of the challenges. We looked at the opportunities, we're into challenges now. So we're going for the interesting stuff, the health and development stuff, the stuff that many people want to work in and develop in, because it's, it's travel, it's going around, it's helping people, it's really interesting. This is the Olususun rubbish dump in Lagos. It's a hive of activity. People go there. So people move from all countries all over West Africa, neighbouring Nigeria, so Cameroon and Benin, Togo, Mali and Burkina Faso. They all come in and come to Lagos because it's the place with the money, the place with the jobs, the place with the water, the place with accommodation and hospitals and schools and all those kind of things. And there's the rubbish dump. Can you think about challenges posed by waste in Lagos? Could you think about opportunities for the workers and maybe a planned solution? There's a slide here with some key elements here, some key things that you can pick out. So, for example, that every day 3,000 tons of waste is sorted by hand, so not by machines, by hand. There are shops, there are restaurants, there are bars, and there's lots of stuff going on there. But there are fires. I mean, that's a bit of a challenge, but maybe not an opportunity. This is back to Makoko. We saw an overhead drone clip of Makoko. I think this is absolutely fascinating, and you can never underestimate the power of human creativity. Makoko is on a lake, right? They're collecting rubbish and sawdust. They're filling like traps up, and they're creating land on the lake to live on. I mean, that's bonkers. They're using the rubbish that would normally be rubbish is thrown away. They're using sawdust, which is left over from timber mills, and they're creating land. They're creating places for themselves to live off the lake. Absolutely crackers. Really, really clever. Here's a nice clip here. This is Tubey in his fish farm. We saw the clip before of Tubey in his fish farm, haven't we? Where he makes sure his toilet goes into where his fish are so they eat it. It's wonderful. Here's some data, a bit of an activity here. There's a typo there, which I'll correct in front of you. Can you go through and use the data, analyze data, answer the questions? Okay, this is where we suggest you take a break and maybe come back a bit later. There's something here about congestion, and then there's a biggie, a big 8-mark question that we'd like you to have a go at. I do not expect this to be done in one go. I suggest that you do this in 2 bites of the cherry. It's an 8-mark question, and that's probably like a 5 or 6-mark question. So that's an extra 15 minutes. So have a break, have a biscuit, and come back for 15 minutes and go again. There are further slides with information. Okay. And there are some answers at the end as well. Okay, so you can purple and green your answers, please, using the different colour fonts on the text, and then that'll be really useful for me to see what you think you've done well at and not done so well at, and hand it in. It's a short video, hopefully. Like I said before, I miss you guys. That was only about 10 minutes ago for me. Peri Peri crisps are awesome. You guys rock. I'll be seeing you soon, hopefully, as we plug in some kind of face-to-face time. I'm not sure what we're planning yet. We're talking about it all the time because we want you guys in. We want to make sure that you're being supported and helped. Hopefully this video helps. Stay safe. Keep handing in. Do the work. See you later. Bye-bye.